Tristan, why were you crying? What's wrong? What's wrong? What happened? Oh. Mommy put shoes on you? Oh. Poor baby. So sad. Look how nice and warm your feet are. Look how nice they